Here are 4 reasons not to use a shotgun for home defense, a pump shotgun more specifically. And this is coming from me, a former CIA officer who loves shotguns and thinks they're awesome. So I train a lot of people, I've trained thousands of people over the years since I left the agency, and everybody wants to know, like, should I get a shotgun for home defense? Well, here are 4 reasons why you may not want one. Before I get to that, let's talk about the shotgun I'm holding here, so you can see some of the stuff I do have on my home defense shotgun. First is a side saddle, so I can have extra shells there. I have a Surefire flashlight here. Obviously, if you're using a shotgun for home defense, you need to have a white light on it so you can see. So I got my white light there. I have an extended magazine tube so I can have more shells on it. And for this one is a training one. I have a sling on it, but if you're using it for home defense, you do not need a sling on your home defense shotgun. But now back to the 4 reasons you probably don't want to have a shotgun, or maybe don't want to have a shotgun for home defense, a pump action shotgun. This is a Remington 870. So why may you not want one is, first, if you don't train a lot, you might forget to take off the safety. So it has a safety button right here. Before you go fire it, you just got to push it. Now, yes, it's a simple push, but if an intruder's coming at you, if you have the adrenaline dump, if you're in fear for your life, and you start pulling the trigger and it's like, wait a minute, nothing's happening, you forgot to take off the safety and somebody could be on top of you trying to kill you. So you've got to train, you've got to remember to take off that safety. When it comes to pistols, I like guns without safeties because, again, your fingers should be off the trigger guard. That should be your safety, as we all know. So you don't have to think about a lot of stuff, whether it's a, excuse me, a Glock, 6 hours, as I choked to death, a Glock 6 Hour, Smith & Wesson, Walther, no external safeties. Well, you can get a Smith & Wesson M&P with an external safety, but don't. But anyway, that is the problem number 1, is you forget to take off the safety. That is reason number 1 you may not want one. What is reason number 2? Is it's heavy. It's obviously a shotgun, it's heavier. If you pick this up and you were trying to use it, you're shaking and you can barely raise it high enough to take out a threat, then clearly a shotgun should not be your first choice for a home defense gun. I train a lot of people who are in their 70s and 80s, and they say, hey, you know, I've got arthritis, my fingers aren't as strong as they should be. And I say, go with a revolver. Get a revolver, 38 special, that's fine, that'll stop them. Go with a Ruger or Smith & Wesson and get at least a 4-inch barrel. That is my recommendation. It is not to get a heavy shotgun where you're like, oh crap, I can't even lift it up, and you know, I'm shaking so bad it's heavy, I can't use it. Obviously, you can't lift a gun, pick another gun. Pick a revolver or a pistol or something else you're comfortable with. That is reason numero dos. Okay, what is reason number 3? Is most people are not gonna have a loaded shotgun, meaning a round in the chamber, a shell in the chamber, right? You're gonna have to rack the action bar. So this goes back to the safety problem, is if you forget to rack the action bar, even if your safety's off, you're gonna pull the trigger because you have an empty chamber and nothing's gonna happen, and the boogeyman may have run up the stairs by that time and you're in deep, deep crap. And what is number 4? Number 4 is you may forget to rack the shotgun. So of course, as we all know, the stupidest myth in the world is,
hey, just rack a shotgun, that'll scare them away.
No, no, and no. If you rack the shotgun, if you come out with a shotgun, you better be prepared to use it. So here's what we're gonna do real quick, is behind me, you can see I've got some bottles. I've got a pink bottle, I've got an orange bottle. We are gonna use this Remington 870 pump action shotgun. I'm gonna take my safety off. I'm gonna rack it right now because guess what? I do not have a shell in there. So now I've got a shell in there. Now I'm ready to rock and roll. Okay, I'm gonna aim, I'm gonna aim for the pink one first. So go on, my safety's off. I've got this particular gun I'm using today, just has the bead sight, so nothing fancy. No good sights or anything, but I'm gonna aim, boom. All right, I think we hit our bottle. I'm pretty sure we hit our bottle. Now guess what? I just fired 1 round. Where did my camera go? I just fired 1 round, and if I forget to rack this, guess what happens? Nothing. It's a dead trigger. Nothing happens. Why isn't it going? Why isn't it going? Because I forgot to rack out the old shell and rack another shell in there, which is what you have to do. So now I think I can't even remember how many shells I put in this, 3, maybe 4. Now we're gonna go a little faster and we're gonna go for that orange. No, actually, let's just obliterate this pink one. Boom. I'm gonna wait for it to stop swinging. Boom. Oh, now it's hiding. Oh, I don't want it to be hidden because I'm gonna save this orange one for something. All right, first let's go over, walk over. Let's see the damage that we did to our bottle. Okay, this bottle, I was using double-aught buckshot. I should tell you that. For home defense, I recommend double-aught buckshot if you're gonna use it. But you can see a lot of, that's cool, tore through there at that angle right there. But it would not be a good day if you were on the receiving end of this double-aught buckshot. So yes, home defense shotguns or shotguns for home defense are awesome. I like them. If you're worried about having a rack, if you're worried about a pump action shotgun, well, then get a semi-automatic. There's plenty of companies, especially Benelli, that make great semi-automatic shotguns. But if you're gonna stick with a pump, make sure you train with it. Because all those 4 reasons I just gave you, if you pick it up and haven't touched it in years, you're gonna forget one of them and your life could be in danger. So yes, I love the shotgun for home defense. I have mine locked in a rapid access safe because I've got 7 young kids. It doesn't require batteries, no electronics. It's a simplex safe. I just push it in, hangs on my wall. I can take out my shotgun, but I spend enough training. I think that's about it. So go buy a shotgun, because you always should be buying guns, whether it's a semi-automatic, whether it's a pump. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you ever want to come out and train with me at Spy Ranch, go to tacticalspyschool.com. Again, tacticalspyschool.com. I'm former CI officer Jason Hanson. I'm gonna go do more shooting. God bless you.